Welcome, beloveds. Today in this video, we'll be practicing Speak Your Truth Kriya, which is a gentle yet powerful sequence designed to support the health and balance of your throat and all the glands that live here. Thyroid, parathyroid, thymus. These glands play a big role in your energy levels, your metabolism, and your immune system. So this Kriya truly nourishes the whole body. As we move and breathe, you'll also be strengthening your ability to express yourself clearly, confidently. This practice helps you find your voice, what you say to others, and how you speak to yourself. Over time, it builds steady, calm communication and a deeper trust in your own inner truth. So take this as an opportunity to move with kindness, listen inwardly, and allow your voice and authenticity to grow stronger with projection and your truth. Let's begin with standing. We'll begin with standing straight. Check the alignment of your feet. Knees are soft, spine is straight. Place the palms together in prayer pose at the center of the chest. Inhale deeply as you extend your arms up to a 60-degree angle from the horizon. Keep the palms together. As you inhale and lift the arms, let the head tilt back and up so you can look up towards the sky. Exhale smoothly as you return the arms to the first position and as you bring your head to a normal position with the chin pulled in. Just create a steady motion with the breath. We're going to continue here for about 2 minutes. When you're ready to end, take a deep breath in, have the hands at the chest, hold steady, relaxed, and then exhale and come and sit on your heels. Extend both arms out from the sides of your torso, parallel to the ground. Palms are facing up. Turn the head to the left with a deep inhale. Turn the head to the right with a deep exhale. As you inhale, mentally chant Sat, S-A-T. And as you exhale, mentally chant Nam, N-A-M. Continue for 3 minutes. Sat Nam means truth is my identity. To complete, inhale to the center. Hold the breath. Gently pull up on your pelvic floor and press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And then gently exhale. Now shifting your seated posture to be in easy pose, which is where you're going to sit in a cross-legged posture. Use any types of pillows or props to help you with any of these poses, sitting in rock pose or in easy pose, whatever you feel comfortable with. Place your hands on your knees. Start rhythmic, alternate shoulder shrugs with a strong breath. Inhale as you lift the left shoulder up, and then exhale as you relax the shoulder down. And then inhale as you lift your right shoulder up, and then exhale as you relax your shoulder. Continue this way for about 2 minutes. When you're ready, inhale, lift both shoulders gently, keeping your neck relaxed, lifting up on the pelvic floor, press your tongue to the roof of the mouth, and then gently exhale. Now come back to sit in rock pose once more, sitting on the heels. Again, you can use a pillow between your bum and your heels, or even place another prop support beneath your feet to support your ankles. So come into rock pose, sitting on your heels, stretching both arms forward, parallel to the ground and to each other with the palms facing down. Drop your head back to a comfortable angle to look towards the sky and begin a steady, powerful breath of fire, breathing in and out in a relaxed, steady manner through the nose, even inhale, even exhale, and continue. Keep your breath smooth, steady, and relaxed. Focus on the breath even in and out of the nose. When you're ready, inhale as you straighten your neck. Gently pull in the chin, press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, lift up on the pelvic floor, and relax. Now come back to easy pose, sitting cross-legged. Interlace your hands in Venus lock. which is where you're just simply interlacing your fingers together with the palms apart and cross the thumbs. Place the hands at the small of the lower back. Now you're just bending the head forward, so the chin is going to rest at the notch in the collarbone at the top of the sternum. We'll begin breath of fire again, smooth and steady, nice and easy, strong but relaxed. Continue for about another minute and a half. Now take a deep breath in, hold steady, bring the head up, and pull up on the pelvic floor. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, and exhale and relax. Staying in easy pose, spine erect, chest slightly lifted, hands rest on the knees in what we call Gyan Mudra, which is connecting your index finger to your thumb. This is Gyan Mudra. Inhale completely as you turn the head to the right. Exhale completely as you turn the head to the left. Mentally vibrate Sat Nam. Continue for 26 times. When you've completed your 26 times, inhale to the center, hold briefly, focus at the brow point, lift up on the pelvic floor, and press the tongue to the roof of the mouth. And relax. Now, we'll sit with the legs stretched out straight in front of us. The legs are together. Press the feet gently forward. Place the hands on the ground at your sides and behind your hips. Angle the spine back 30 degrees from vertical. Lift the head up and begin to look toward the sky. Start a steady, long, deep breath. You can go for as long as 5 minutes here. Long, deep breath, leaning back 30 degrees from vertical, head up towards the sky, long, deep breathing. Keep the feet gently pressing forward, legs are together. When you're ready to end, inhale and straighten the neck. Come to sit straight, and then pull up on the pelvic floor, press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, and exhale and relax. Now we'll come one more time to sit on our heels, sitting in rock pose. You'll interlace your fingers together. This time the palms are together, and we'll extend and point the index fingers up, stacking them against each other, and cross our thumbs. You're going to raise your arms over your head, and if you can, hug your ears. The important thing is to keep the elbows straight. So if the hands and arms cannot hug the ears comfortably with your shoulders and your neck, then angle the arms slightly forward and focus on keeping the elbows straight. Now we're going to inhale as we tilt our arms, head, and torso forward to that 30-degree mark again, and then moving as a single unit that pivots from the base of the spine. And then exhale deeply as you go up and then back to 30 degrees from vertical, leaning back. And continue to repeat this motion. Inhaling straight to finish, holding, lift up on the pelvic floor, press the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Now exhale completely, hold the posture. Apply the root lock, rectum, sex organs, pelvic floor, navel in and up. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, then inhale and relax. As we now come to a close, take a moment to feel the openness that you've created in your throat, your breath, and your inner voice. Notice any sense of clarity, calm, or even lightness. This Kriya supports the thyroid, the parathyroid, and the immune system, as well as strengthens your ability to communicate from a grounded and truthful place. Remember that this practice is especially helpful when you're feeling run down, burning the the candle at both ends, or sensing the early signs of getting sick. Returning to this Kriya during those times can help nourish your energy, restore your balance, and support your body's natural defenses. So carry this balance with you as you move into the rest of your day. May your words be steady, kind, and aligned with who you truly are. Sat Nam.